Okay, so we are going to talk about cycle counting in the new version of P21. We're updating to version 2018.2. You can see on the screen on the right-hand side is the current version of P21 cycle counting report that we have. And then on the left-hand side is the upgraded version. So you can see that cycle counting criteria has changed a little bit. You will see that there's some options. You can suppress items with zero quantity on hand, which is going to reduce the unnecessary items that we don't need to count. There's also a max number of items to be counted and a max number of bins to be counted. This will increase the number of bins counted that day if we have some extra help. If we need to just do a bigger cycle count at that point, you can opt for that. We can sort our report on several different levels. So you can sort one column one way and then another column another way by classes, item IDs, primary bins, groups, their put away attributes or the put away ranks. If we stored our warehouse by supplier, you could do that, or warehouse sequence, and then ascending and descending. You can also cycle count by specific lists. So you can choose a list to specifically cycle count if you did not want to have P21 pull that count for you. So you could make that selection as well. You can also reprint a cycle count report. So after you print a certain cycle count report, you now have the option to retrieve that report criteria, resort it, and then reprint it. You cannot change the criteria though. You can exclude items recently counted. There is a system setting that we will have to turn on that will set the date of the last counted to a receipt date. By doing so, you can exclude that. Date last counted before, you can exclude that. So please let myself or Chad know if you have any questions.